Okay. Good morning, friends.
Today, I would just like to give you a small instructions about how we should be behaving when we are being posted in a COVID ward. Being our CTVS department of the Yashoda hospitals at Secunderabad, we are not having much of our cardiac work to do. So I think we are extending our services for working in the COVID ward. So as such, because we are not directly much involved with the patients who are suffering from COVID, so you all nurses have not been facing the COVID patients directly. So I will just give you a small instructions of how to behave when you are being posted. Okay, stop. Shortcut. I can just show you that you come to the donning area with your cap and your regular 2-ply mask, okay, and then you have worn your PPE and don't put it fully up, just keep it up to here and sanitize your hands. I have already washed my hands, so I'm just sanitizing the hands and wearing my gloves. Now for the purpose of comfort of our nurses, what we have done is a small change in the technique is over the 2-ply mask, we are using the N95 mask. So now I put my N95 mask and it's over the 2-ply so that it is better tolerated. And so now my purpose is I don't remove the N95 till I go into the doffing area. The next thing is I just wear my eye shield, okay, and tighten it. So if you want your specs to be worn inside, you can wear it inside, and if you are comfortable that you can see without the specs, the monitor and all, better don't wear the specs so that your visibility can be also not be compromised. So after this I put my hood on, okay, and then I zip it up completely. Then I can just sanitize my gloved hands again. Get me the foot cover. Now what I will do is I can wear with my shoes or without my shoes, depends on your comfort. Okay. Now with this I am ready to enter into my ICU, and once I get into my ICU I keep another pair of gloves there. So once I enter into my ICU I have another pair of gloves. Are you wearing another gown inside? Can you see? Blue gown?
Yes.
No. No, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Then there is another protection. Before, if suppose you are comfortable with this, you can have, if you are not comfortable with the eye shield, you can with your eye protection you can use this as a protection, as an extra protection, and then you would be free from when the patient is being intubation is being done, or when suction is being done, especially when ventilated patient, you don't have the secretions directly falling onto you. So next, I would just want to tell you now, once the doffing, I think everyone is very important. What you have to do is, whenever you are going out into the doffing area, I think you need to take out your gloves and throw it, and then once you remove your things one by one, one person has to be there to help you out and remove the things, like the shield is removed, okay, and then okay. Now, let me a little. You can come in the back and just help me to take it out. Just someone, the inside of the PPE has to be touched by the outside person, and once he comes out, what we will do is you can remove it. You have to take out the PPE in such a way that you fold it completely from inside and use a stool or a chair to sit, and then once you are taking out, never touch the outside of the PPE, because the outside of the PPE is supposed to contain the coronavirus. You have taken out even the foot cover, okay? Everything is taken out. Yeah. So once this is done, take a hypochlorite solution and dip this thing in the hypochlorite solution for at least 1 hour, and then after that discard it, or if it is to be reused, we can think about it later on. So then what we do is we discard the first layer of gloves, I sanitize my hands once again. Can remove this can be kept for sanitization, and in the same hypochlorite solution I remove my N95 and just drop it. So this is again discarded. Whenever I remove one thing, and again I wash my hands with the sanitizer, and I think with this you can go to your changing room and then remove your mask and you remove your gown and discard it there, and then you can change to your own dress and go back home. Okay? Okay, thank you.